So while you were scrolling TikTok this morning, someone in a hoodie, probably drinking their third energy drink, tried to hack into 2,847 systems worldwide. That's just in the last hour. And here's the kicker. Most of those attacks are now being turbocharged by AI. So should you become the hero who stops them? Let's break down if cybersecurity engineering is your calling or your worst nightmare. First, let's kill the Hollywood dream. You won't be furiously typing "I'm in" while Matrix code rains down your screen. Real cybersecurity is more like being a digital detective mixed with a paranoid architect. One day you're testing if Bob from accounting will click on a fake phishing email. The next day you're up at 3 a.m. figuring out why someone from Eastern Europe is very interested in your company's customer database. Now let's talk money, because rent isn't paid in ethical satisfaction. According to Glassdoor, entry-level cybersecurity engineers start around $96,000. Mid-level, $111,000 to $174,000. Senior engineers and architects, $148,000 to $237,000. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, we're short about 3.5 million cybersecurity professionals globally. Companies are throwing job offers like confetti. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 33% job growth through 2033, way faster than most careers. Why? Because every single business going digital needs someone to keep the bad guys out. Now here's where it gets spicy. AI. You'd think it will automate cybersecurity and kill the jobs, right? Wrong. Hackers are using AI to create smarter malware, deepfake phishing scams, and attacks that adapt in real time. AI-generated phishing attacks increased by over 1,000% in 2024. But defenders are using AI too. Machine learning algorithms detect anomalies in milliseconds. AI-powered security operations centers analyze millions of events. And predictive systems spot threats before they happen. It's an arms race, and guess who's commanding the weapons? Cybersecurity engineers. AI is the tool, you're the strategist. Someone still needs to train these models, interpret alerts, make judgment calls, and outsmart the human creativity on the other side. AI didn't make us obsolete. It made us absolutely critical. Now let's get real about the Spider-Man clause. With great hacking ability comes great responsibility. You'll have skills that could wreck systems. The difference between you and criminals? A paycheck, ethics, and probably better coffee. Certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker literally make you promise to use your powers for good. You'll sign NDAs, follow strict legal protocols, and understand that testing your neighbor's Wi-Fi without permission is still illegal. Sorry, George. The ethical line is bright. You break into systems you're paid to break into with written permission, and you protect data like it's your grandma's banking information. Now let's get a bit technical. Skills-wise, you need networking fundamentals, programming, especially Python, and deep operating system knowledge, particularly Linux. But soft skills matter just as much. You need to think like both a builder and a burglar, communicate security risks to people who think phishing involves actual fish, and stay ice cold when everything's on fire. The beautiful part? You don't need a Stanford degree. Certifications like Security Plus or hands-on platforms like TryHackMe can get you there. Okay, real talk now. This job can be stressful. When there's a breach, you're getting called at 2 a.m., you'll watch users ignore every warning, then blame you when things go wrong. The learning never stops, and burnout is inevitable. But if you thrive on solving puzzles, love the cat and mouse game, and genuinely want to protect people, the stress is the price of admission. So should you become a cybersecurity engineer? Well, do you love solving puzzles where the puzzle fights back? Does outsmarting criminals get your adrenaline going? Can you handle being a forever student in a field that changes faster than fashion trends? If yes, this might be your calling. You'll get job security, solid pay, genuine satisfaction protecting people, and stories that make you sound way cooler at parties than you actually are. If you're ready to dive in, now's the time to get into cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are everywhere. Major companies getting breached, government sites hacked, millions of people's data leaked. And with AI rapidly taking over coding, there's a massive global shortage of cybersecurity professionals. Companies are desperate to hire ethical hackers. That's where TryHackMe, the sponsor of today's video, comes in. It's a hands-on platform with over 6 million users worldwide. Instead of boring theory, you actually hack virtual machines right in your browser. No expensive setup, no complicated software. Just open and start learning. For example, here, I am trying to learn how to hack a bank, ethically of course, inside TryHackMe's free offensive security intro room. What I also like about TryHackMe is Echo, their AI tutor. It's like having a 24/7 personal guide who explains things simply when you're stuck. And if you're really serious about building cybersecurity skills, Premium gives you full access to advanced courses, faster machines, everything. Plus, with my code CODEHEAD25, you get 25% off the annual plan. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below to sign up on TryHackMe and get 25% off the annual plan. Thanks to TryHackMe for sponsoring this video.